Coconut milk is everywhere. Open your pantry, it's probably in there. It's in curries, desserts, and even your shampoo. This tropical elixir is a staple in cuisines around the world. From Southeast Asia to South America, coconut milk adds richness and depth to countless dishes. Its popularity explodes each year, fueled by health benefits and versatility. Coconut milk is no longer just an exotic ingredient, it's a global phenomenon. The journey begins with towering coconut palms, mainly in tropical regions. These trees of life produce coconuts year-round. Farmers climb these palms, carefully harvesting mature coconuts. It's dangerous work, requiring skill and balance. The coconuts are then gathered and transported, often by hand or small trucks. Sometimes they even float downriver, eventually reaching collection points. It's a labor-intensive process that starts the coconut on its path to becoming delicious milk. The journey from palm to factory is a logistical ballet. Trucks, ships, and even airplanes transport these precious coconuts. Massive cargo ships loaded with thousands of coconuts traverse the oceans. They arrive at bustling ports ready for the next stage of their journey. Once at the factory, the real magic begins. These enormous facilities are a testament to the global demand for coconut milk. Inside the factory, the air hums with activity. The rhythmic clanking of machinery and the bustling of workers create a symphony of industrial efficiency. This is where the journey of the coconut begins, transforming from a simple fruit into a versatile ingredient used in kitchens around the world. First, the coconuts are dehusked, revealing the tough inner shell. This process involves specialized machines that skillfully strip away the fibrous outer layer, leaving behind the hard, brown shell. Workers meticulously inspect each coconut to ensure that the dehusking is thorough, as any remaining husk can affect the quality of the final product. Next, these shells are cracked open, revealing the white coconut flesh. The cracking process is both an art and a science, requiring precision to avoid damaging the valuable flesh inside. Workers use a combination of manual tools and automated machinery to split the coconuts cleanly, ensuring that the maximum amount of flesh is preserved. This flesh is then grated into fine particles, ready for milk extraction. The grating process is crucial, as the texture of the grated coconut affects the efficiency of milk extraction. High-speed graters reduce the flesh to a fine consistency, which is then collected on conveyor belts and transported to the next stage of production. Water is added to the grated coconut and then pressed to extract the milk. This mixture is thoroughly blended to ensure that the water permeates every particle of coconut, maximizing the yield of milk. The pressing machines apply immense pressure to squeeze out the rich, creamy liquid, which is then collected in large vats. This milky liquid is then filtered multiple times, resulting in the smooth, creamy coconut milk we know and love. Filtration is a critical step, removing any remaining solids and impurities to achieve the desired consistency and purity. The filtered milk is then subjected to quality checks to ensure it meets the highest standards. Each step is crucial in transforming a humble coconut into a culinary staple. From dehusking to cracking, grating, pressing, and filtering, every stage is meticulously managed to produce the finest coconut milk. This intricate process highlights the dedication and expertise required to bring this beloved ingredient from the factory to your kitchen. Section 5. The Metal Giants of Coconut Processing. In this chapter, we delve into the heart of the coconut processing industry, where technology and tradition blend seamlessly. These factories are marvels of modern engineering. They stand as testaments to human ingenuity, transforming raw coconuts into a variety of products with remarkable efficiency. Giant machines efficiently handle every stage of the process. From the moment the coconuts arrive at the factory, these mechanical behemoths take over, ensuring that each step is executed with precision. Automated dehuskers strip away the outer husk with speed and precision. These machines are designed to handle thousands of coconuts per hour, making the dehusking process both fast and efficient. Industrial-sized graters pulverize the coconut flesh into a fine powder. This powder is then used in a variety of products, from coconut flour to desiccated coconut, showcasing the versatility of this tropical fruit. High-pressure extractors squeeze every last drop of milk from the grated coconut. This process ensures that nothing goes to waste, and the rich, creamy coconut milk is collected for further processing. These steel titans work tirelessly, ensuring a steady flow of coconut milk. Day and night, they operate with unwavering consistency, producing the high-quality coconut milk that is loved by consumers worldwide. It's a symphony of clanging metal and whirring motors, all dedicated to producing our favorite coconut products. The rhythmic sounds of the machinery create a unique melody, a testament to the harmony between man and machine in the pursuit of perfection. Skilled workers oversee the entire process, ensuring that the machines operate smoothly and efficiently. Their expertise and attention to detail are crucial in maintaining the high standards of production. Finally, the processed coconut products are carefully packaged and prepared for distribution. From coconut oil to coconut water, these products are shipped to markets around the world, bringing a taste of the tropics to consumers everywhere. The scale of these operations is truly impressive. These factories are not just processing plants, they are hubs of innovation and efficiency, driving the coconut industry forward. The next time you pick up a coconut product from the store, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has undergone. From the fields to the factory, and finally to your hands, it's a story of modern marvels and timeless tradition. Section 6. A sea of coconuts, processing millions, every day. The scale of these operations is nothing short of astounding. Millions of coconuts are processed every single day. Conveyor belts snake through the factory, carrying mountains of coconuts. Giant vats hold thousands of liters of freshly extracted coconut milk. The numbers are staggering, a testament to the insatiable global appetite for coconut milk. It's a 24/7 operation with workers and machines working in perfect harmony. Section 7. From coconut to carton, ensuring coconut milk perfection. Quality control is paramount throughout the process. Every batch of coconut milk undergoes rigorous testing. Technicians in labs analyze samples, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor and texture. They check for any impurities, guaranteeing a safe and delicious product. Only the highest quality coconut milk makes it to the final packaging. It's this dedication to quality that has made coconut milk a trusted ingredient worldwide. Section 8. Nothing goes to waste. The many uses of coconut byproducts. Even the leftovers from coconut milk production find new life. The fibrous husks are transformed into everything from doormats to potting soil. The leftover coconut shells become activated carbon, used in water filtration systems. Even the pressed coconut flesh, spent of its milk, is used as animal feed or compost. Nothing goes to waste in the world of coconut processing. It's a testament to the sustainability and versatility of this incredible fruit. Section 9. The future is coconutty, a sustainable and delicious choice. The global love affair with coconut milk is only just beginning. From savory curries to sweet desserts, coconut milk has found its way into kitchens around the world. Its creamy texture and rich flavor make it a versatile ingredient that can elevate any dish. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, coconut milk offers endless possibilities for culinary creativity. As more people discover its versatility and health benefits, demand will continue to soar. Coconut milk is not just a delicious addition to your meals, it's also packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it supports a healthy lifestyle. It's a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or looking to reduce their dairy intake. The growing awareness of these benefits is driving more consumers to choose coconut milk over traditional dairy products. This humble fruit, once confined to tropical regions, has become a global culinary star. Its journey from the tropics to your table is a testament to its universal appeal. In many cultures, coconut milk has been a staple for centuries, used in traditional recipes passed down through generations. Today, it continues to inspire new culinary trends and innovations, bridging the gap between tradition and modernity. And its future looks bright, thanks to sustainable farming practices and innovative processing techniques. Farmers are adopting eco-friendly methods to cultivate coconuts, ensuring that the environment is protected while meeting the growing demand. Advanced technology in processing plants ensures that the highest quality coconut milk is produced efficiently and sustainably. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the planet, but also supports the livelihoods of farmers and workers in the coconut industry. So the next time you crack open a can of coconut milk, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your kitchen. From the hands of farmers who carefully tend to the coconut trees, to the innovative processing techniques that ensure its quality, each step is a labor of love. This journey reflects a blend of tradition, innovation, and a commitment to sustainability. It's a journey that embodies global trade, technological innovation, and the delicious bounty of nature. The global supply chain that brings coconut milk to your table is a marvel of modern logistics. From the tropical farms where coconuts are harvested, to the processing plants where they are transformed into milk, and finally to the stores where you purchase them, each step is a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. Cheers to the coconut, a fruit that has truly conquered the world. Its rise to global prominence is a celebration of its versatility, health benefits, and the sustainable practices that ensure its future. So raise a glass of coconut milk and toast to a fruit that not only nourishes our bodies, but also supports a healthier planet. Here's to the coconut, a symbol of nature's bounty and human innovation.